Hey everybody, College Railroader here. As it is, it's that time of year again, the start of the spring semester. As you guys can see, I am in my new college dorm. I have received the RA position, my residential assistant, so I'm very excited. And fortunately, I was able to get a room upgrade compared to standard rooms, and with that, I was able to get another folding table. And so I wanted to kind of show you guys what my little layout slash workspace looks like. This kind of goes off the point of, even being a college student, you can still enjoy the hobby. So I'll kind of show you a little tour of the layout, what I have, and as well as some cool trains and features that I have. So follow me. So I'm sitting right on my bed, which is right where the camera was before. And so you can see how, there's only at least, 6 feet from my bed to the table. But, it's really big to what I used to have. As you can see, there are 2 folding tables. Each one is 6 feet by 30 inches, which means it's 2.5 feet. What I found out doing research to kind of look for tables is a standard table is 30 inches. However, the minimal radius is a standard 15-inch radius, which is what I have on this inner track kind of sprinkled around the layout. With that, though, 15 and 15, that makes 30 inches. And so you would think, a 30-inch table, perfect. But you forget to consider that when you have these ballasts on the side, that adds, length or width to your layout. And so really, you need a table that's like 33 inches wide or 36, and that's not easy to kind of come around. So usually what I did before is I had that brown table and then I put a piece of styrofoam on top to give it the balance. But, I wanted to still make it as sturdy as possible. So then I found this black table on Amazon. It's like a Costco. I don't remember how much it was. But just, getting 2 of those so you kind of have now a 6 feet by 5 feet layout, which is actually really nice. I'm going to kind of do like a zoom in shot. So as you guys see, I have my computer set up because I'm still a college student, so I still need a workspace. But, if that wasn't there, man, you could do a little bit more, have these 2 tracks going around, or I kind of have it where it splits off to 2, to then 1, and then way in the back by that cool little fountain, it then splits off to 2 again. And then I always like having some sort of staging yard. So then right by that little trolley, there's actually no rails connecting, so that track is completely off, which is really cool. So not only could I park a train, but I could also then just park freight cars, and when the train's running, nothing happens. I then have it kind of curl around over here, and then I have like a little siding right off so I can store a couple of cars. That way it's a quick, when I want to transition cars. And these tracks, especially the switch tracks and some of the other ones from the HO expansion pack by Bachmann, which is what I reviewed way back when. So I'll put a link in the description so you can get a chance to look at it. But yeah, this is kind of what I have. I'll kind of turn it on. I'll show you. Little Pennsylvania Porter going. Actually, I'm going to reverse it. There it goes. I love this guy. Great train. DCC powered, lights in the back. No sound, but nice little guy for this flat layout like I have. And you guys see, like I said, the trolley's over there. Trolley's not going anywhere. Some couple of buildings. I even have some lights in the back strapped to this battery pack. So normally what I would do is put it like in that building or kind of cover it to make it look like that, like there's lights on. And as you guys can see, I'll zoom in. You have a little trestle bridge area, straight ahead, a little gray bit. And then, a couple buildings, the whistle stop station, a little platform, people in the back, one of them's falling. These 2 big buildings, and then this big mountain piece, which kind of covers nicely when I'm working right by the computer. It just kind of makes this nice area. And then I had an old water fountain. I don't remember where I got it from. I think it was at the Big E in Springfield, Massachusetts. But, just to add a little bit more nature to the layout. And I think it just makes it look nice because then when you zoom back, little mountain ridge over there, mountain siding, some greenery, just a nice overall thing. Very cool thing. So I'll put a whole bunch of other clips around so you can kind of see this layout in action. And then stay tuned because I'll be making another video about, grab it. I just got these on Train World, these new Pennsylvania cars. 3 of them, these Silver Series rolling stock. These look beautiful. And I can't wait to put it on that Pennsylvania locomotive. So stay tuned for these other videos to come. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching. And just like that, you're on the right track. I'll see you very soon when we come back.